What'd you say, baby?
I said easy boy.
Nico? Why?
Because he's trying to bite me.
He's not trying to bite you. He's not trying to bite you. Maybe he's just trying to taste your finger because he sees you have it in your mouth and he's like, I wonder what that finger tastes like. Right?
Yes.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like nothing.
Like nothing?
Huh.
Like baba?
Yeah.
Yuck. Hey you guys, how's it going? I'm Veggie Rolls. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, don't forget to go ahead and click that subscribe button. It looks like this, and the little notification bell next to it so that you'll be notified every time a new video goes up, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. So, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a sweet potato black bean burger. I don't think I've ever made anything with sweet potato on this channel before. Like, I'm not a huge fan of sweet potato, but when I mix the sweet potato up with like all these like Southwestern flavors, it's so good and I absolutely love it and I think that you guys will really enjoy it. So, let's get veggie. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna toss all the ingredients in our food processor and then we're gonna whip it up and we're gonna have veggie burgers. Well, you gotta cook them of course, but anyways, let's do it. So our first ingredient that we're gonna be adding into our food processor is 1 cup of black beans, and I'm just using canned black beans that have been rinsed. I just love how colorful everything looks. But anyways, next we're gonna go ahead and add in 1/2 cup of oats, and I'm using 1-minute oats just because that's what I have on hand, but I would prefer to use old-fashioned oats for this. We're also gonna be adding in 1/3 cup of cooked quinoa, 1/2 of a red onion chopped up, 1/2 cup of cilantro, and I'm actually using like the whole cilantro with the stem and all because you get all the good flavor in there, and since we're gonna like process all of this, it'll be fine. And I'm also gonna be tossing in 2 medium sweet potatoes that have been cooked. I actually boiled these, but you can steam them or roast them. You would actually get a lot more flavor if you roasted them. I'm also adding in 1 tablespoon of lime juice. And for our spices, we have 1 teaspoon of chipotle powder, but that's optional. It's for spice. You could do more, you could do less, or you could just completely take it out of the recipe. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And the link will be down below with the full recipe. All right, so we're gonna go ahead, blend this all up, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so this is what our mixture looks like. So you basically want to pulse this mixture until you have no big chunks of anything left. I like a little bit of chunks of onion, but other than that, like no big chunks of anything. And next, using clean hands, we're gonna go ahead and just shape these guys into patties. And I'm gonna place this onto a cookie sheet. And these are gonna go into a 400 degrees preheated oven for 9 minutes. And then we're gonna go ahead, flip these guys, and then we're gonna go ahead and leave them in for another 5 minutes. All right, guys, so into the oven they go. All right, guys, so while our burgers are in the oven, we're gonna go ahead and get started with our cilantro lime sauce. So I have 1/4 cup of plain soy yogurt, 3 tablespoons of vegan mayo, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1/2 cup of cilantro, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, and we're gonna do salt and pepper to taste. Which reminds me that I totally forgot to add pepper to my burgers. So you wanna do salt and pepper to taste on both of these. And we're gonna go ahead and blend this up until it's nice and smooth. All right, so these are out of the oven. I actually went ahead and flipped these, like I said, at 9 minutes, and then I actually let them cook for another 9 minutes so they can get nice and golden brown. And I also greased the pan. I totally forgot to tell you, this could be sticky if you don't grease the pan, so don't forget to go ahead and grease your pan. All right, so let's go ahead and assemble this guy. So you can put 1 patty, you can do 2 patties. I've had this with 2 patties, but I'm just greedy like that, and it was amazing. And we're gonna go ahead and put our sauce. About the sauce, if you guys want a nice like thick consistency sauce, you can add either more mayo and less yogurt, or you can completely opt out of the yogurt and do mayo instead. Or if you have a thicker consistency, like Greek yogurt type of consistency, then you could definitely do that as well. If you want to see how to do that, like how to get like a nice thick consistency vegan yogurt, how to make your own vegan yogurt, you can check the link down below. All right, and here we go. I actually want to add some avocado on here, but I totally forgot to buy avocado, but this is our baby here. All right, guys, you know what time it is. It's time for the taste test cam. Here we go. I forgot to put ketchup. What good is a burger without ketchup? But seriously, if you guys like sweet potato, which I know a lot of you guys do, I know you would really, really enjoy this burger. It's absolutely delicious. The sweet potato is actually not as overpowering as what I kind of think it always is, because I'm not a huge fan of sweet potato. But it is not as overpowering in this dish as it is like in a lot of dishes, because it has so many other delicious flavors in it. So try it out. It's super yummy, and let me know what you guys think. So that is that, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up if you liked it. Also, don't forget to tag me on Instagram, #Let'sGetVeggie, #VeggieRolls. If you make this recipe or any of my recipes, I would love to see what you made and would love to know what you think about it. And yeah, I will talk to you guys very soon. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.